Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use scene detection in Wondershare UniConverter. All you have to do now, you can download UniConverter. You can get it for free from Wondershare official website. Install into your system and don't forget to sign in with your account. Let's get started by click more tools, click video, and then try to find scene detection. So automatically detect video transitions and split them into clips. So you can click and add or drop video here to start. Let the UniConverter analyze your video. And here we go. It's only 6-second video, and yes, there is a 3 scene that detected and split them into clips. Scene 1, Scene 2, and Scene 3. And also you can replace the file if you do not satisfied with the analyze. So here, after that, you can export to get the result. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below. See you in the next video.